Hi, today I'm going to show you how to implement speech to text in Android. So let's start. First, we create our project, select empty activity, click on next, name of your project. Here we select the language Java and click on finish. First, we work on design, click on RES, layout, activity main.xml. Here we use relative layout and save one image in Driver folder. Here we add one background. Here we add one edit text. So whatever we speak, it will display here. Now we will create one custom layout. So click on Driver. Here we create custom. Here we use shape. And we choose a shape rectangle. Back to main activity. Here we add our background. And here we pass Driver custom. Now we add one image view. So after clicking an image view, you can start speak. Now we will create one vector for our image view. Click on your vector. Here we change the height and width. Now back to main activity.xml. Here you can see the design. Now click on manifest file. Here we add some permissions like internet permission and audio record permission. Then click on main activity. First we will get the reference of image view and edit text from XML file by using find view by ID. First of all, we check for the permission. So here we write the condition for permission granted. If our permission is not granted, we call one method check permission. Now we define our record audio request code. To convert speech to text, we will use speech recognizer class. So we will initialize the speech recognition object first. Now we create intent for recognizing the speech. Here we use recognizer intent. Now I'll explain you all these constants. Action recognize speech, start an activity that will promote the user for speech and send it through a speech recognizer. Extra language model, this will inform the recognizer which speak model to prefer when performing. Action recognize speech. And language model free from use a language model based on free from speech recognition. Extra language is a language tag, for example, English, US. Here we use a default language. Now we will set a speech recognition listener using set recognition listener method. Now after set the speech recognition listener, as we can see, we get several methods to implement. So here we will work on beginning of speech method. On beginning of a speech method will tell the user that his voice is being recognized. Now inside on beginning of a speech, first we will create one dialog box. First we create one view group. Now we create one layout. Name it alert custom. Here we use relative layout and add one image view. I already saved one image in travel folder. Now click on main activity.java. Here we inflate our alert custom layout. Now we initialize our alert builder. And set message. And then we set the view. Now we will work on result. Here we create one array list. Now we will create one array list, and this array list will store our result, and we use this array list to update the UI. So here we create array list of type string. And here we dismiss our dialog. So now we will work on our image view. We will add one touch listener to image view. Now add one override method on destroy. And here we use destroy method. I forgot to create on request permission result method. Now run the project.
Click on Allow. Permission granted. Now click on Mic. Hello everyone. Here you can see the output.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.